welcome to my channel Bhattacharya's Collection. So today I am going to discuss about our project topic, that is the hospital management system, and this topic we have done in our final semester, and with the 5 members are included in doing this project. So the 5 members are Debajyoti Goswami, Parthasarathi Datta, Vishwajit Haldar, Dibita Sarkar, and myself, Ayan Bhattacharya. So, first of all, I like to tell something about what is hospital management system. So, hospital management system is an online medical portal where you can register yourself on the portal and also can book yourself in a hospital by using the portal by sitting at home itself, and you can get a prescription of a doctor by sitting at home itself. And after that, coming to the first slide, that is the out sketch, where we can see that there will be a user who will use the website, and that website will be in cloud database, and within cloud database we will have information, and that information will have status. And coming to the next slide, that is web languages, we can see that web languages is divided into two parts, that is front-end languages and back-end languages. Here front-end languages consist of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, whereas back-end languages consist of PHP and SQL. After coming to the next slide, what is web language? We can see that web language is the languages which is mainly used to design a particular website, and it can be static or dynamic. And here in web languages we have two parts, front-end languages and back-end languages. After coming to the next slide, we can see that what is front-end languages. Front-end languages. So these particular languages are mainly used to do design parts of a website, where making different designs and working on the paragraph, color, header, footer, etc. works are maintained and is given a dynamic look by an essential language named JavaScript, and other languages are HTML, 5 hypertext markup languages used to design front-end parts like table, paragraph, etc. Then CSS, that is cascading style, which is used to maintain the color for different attributes of the website, hence by giving a challenging dynamic look. Constructs of the website. And after coming to that, it is the backend language. That is, the backend language are mainly used to tackle the logical constructs of the website. In this scenario, we used the language PHP, that is Hypertext Preprocessor. Through this language, we designed the different forms and logical parts. Another language which is used for database purposes is SQL, structured query languages. Through these, we manipulated with the user's confidential data, and retrieving those, we designed different decision-making procedures. Now coming to the login page, that is the next slide, where here a user need to use his password and username to get access. Otherwise, for if any ineligibility is detected, his access is denied. And in this login page only, which includes registration page, this is the registration page where a user need to register with all of its details, and if already been registered, then he or she can access through login page. And after coming to the next slide, that is application page. This is the application page where a user can select the service he or she needs, and then he or she is retrieved to the according pages. And in this application page, it includes ambulance assistance. Here the application user can select an ambulance from nearby and can book it with a single tap. And after that coming, it's pharmacy and online ordering. On this page, a user can upload his prescription recommended by a practicing physician, or just by uploading the names of the drugs, he or she can have a home delivery at his doorstep. Next, coming to the bed booking. Here a user is permitted to book a bed for anyone and can confirm by availability status of a particular hospital, or he or she can change or move to other hospitals. After coming to the doctor checkup booking, we can see that here a user can book his appointment with a doctor either for his home visit or for hospital checkup. Then next, coming to the emergency bookings, which is here a user can book any of the facilities from any of the nearby available best hospitals by their availability status. Next, coming to the next slide, that is the booking slot, which is the booking page. That is, on the booking page, a user need to book his service by uploading the patient's name and other essential status, and can opt for any of the payment methods either online or offline. Next, coming to the assistant page. If a user is facing some sort of problem, then he or she is advised to go through this page where he or she can contact the service provider. Next, coming to the next slide, that is profile page. This is the profile page where a user can watch his details and booking history along with his aristocrat profile furnished with design and his own photo. Here he can download his application for the service he or she booked with us. Next, coming to the hospital personal interface page. It is hospital's own interface where they will be available to upload their daily status according to their service availability. Next, coming to the logout page. The work is done, a user is instructed to log out from the portal. Next, coming to the payment page. This is the payment page where a user is able to add his payment method either by debit or credit card, or by online net banking, or by his offline status. And after coming to the next slide, that is the last slide of our project, that is the acknowledgement and the conclusion, both, whichever we can say, acknowledgement or conclusion. And here we can say that through this whole project we made the outline of a website portal, and we all project members are very much happy to get the assistance of Dr. Kaushik Roy, the Professor of Electronics and Communication Engineering of Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, GNIT, for his dialogue assistant, and also very inclined towards Devajyoti Goswami, the head of our project, for developing the whole project, and also very humble for Parthasarathi Datta, who made the design out sketch of the website, We are also very happy to get Ayan Bhattacharya myself for technical support, writer as well as editor, and Devika Sarkar and Vishwajit Haldar for their accommodation. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and if you like, please do not forget to subscribe and share. Welcome to